Rambut diturun lagi.
Nangsha SEO Tausem subdivision, our chief guest has arrived in our midst. Now we are having a small presentation.
Chief guest Sri Paul Nangsha, MCS is SDO in some subdivision. Fathers, sisters, heads of the institutions, teachers, students, and all our talented athletes who have come from different schools. It is with immense pleasure that I stand before you today to welcome you to this much anticipated inter-school volleyball tournament. The primary objective of organizing this tournament is to give great opportunity for our students to showcase their talents and create more and more champions who would bring honor not only to our state but also our country. We are very grateful to our chief guest, Sri Paul Nangsha, MCS SDO subdivision, who has graciously taken time out of his busy schedule to be with us today. Sir, your presence here today has not only honored us, but has also inspired all the players, coaches, and spectators alike. On behalf of the entire school, the participating teams, and everyone present, I warmly welcome you and look forward to your words of encouragement and motivation. With great pleasure, I would like to extend a heartfelt welcome to the representatives of the District Sports Association Tamenglong, without whose valuable collaboration this would not have been possible. Thank you for your valuable contribution to making this tournament a success by providing us a team of referees. We look forward to many more opportunities to collaborate in the near future. To all the participants, I encourage you to give the best today. Remember that success in sports, like in life, is not merely about winning, but about how to play the game. Respected Reverend Father Akhui Martin, Principal, Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Tamenglong. Respected Reverend Father Casey James, Parish Priest, Tamenglong. Respected principals of other schools, teachers, and their students. I am very honored and privileged to be part of this program, and thank you for inviting me as chief guest in the Inter-School Volleyball Tournament 2024, organized by DBHSS Tamenglong. Since it is a very short speech, I would not be giving a long speech, but there are a few things that I want to convey, especially to the students. When I say the students, you are the future, the pillar of this district as well as the nation. That is why it is very important. You are most important, in fact, in our society. You are just growing up, and one day you are going to be responsible for your society, for your state, for your district, for your nation. About sports, I'm very happy to learn that there are 14 boys teams and 10 girls teams participating in the very first inter-school volleyball tournament. In fact, this is a very good response, a huge response, and I would congratulate Don Bosco School for making this event, in fact, grand on the very first of its kind in the district.
And as the saying goes, there's a great philosopher called, Greek philosopher called Thales. He said, a sound body is a sound mind. I hope you all must be understanding by now. In fact, sports is like, a medium which has many scopes which you can learn from sports itself in life. It can be your career, it can be as a hobby also. But sport teaches us many things, like how to be disciplined, how to be hardworking, and in sports bring us together, unite us together. Sports event, the next, it will be more greater and more grander, and the participant itself is already a huge achievement, and congratulations once again. And I would also thank all the students and other schools participating here today to make the event a grand success. Thank you. And last but not the least, I would like to invite organizing committee of Don Bosco Higher Secondary School to please come and receive a token of my love and appreciation and support also. I brought some volleyball and football. I would like to hand, and moreover, I think they can use this during the tournament itself. Wait. A little of financial support. You can have refreshment since you have worked very hard. Thank you.